Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add your American Express gift card to your Cash App. First of all, you need to open your Cash App, then click profile icon on the top right, scroll a little bit down and choose linked banks. Right here, you need to click this plus icon. So your American Express gift card is considered as a debit card, so you can enter all of the information here. Your American Express gift card's number, expiration date, CVV, and your zip code, guys. You need to enter all of this information and click link card button on the bottom. If this is not helpful, you can try another thing. You need to click no card right here, then click continue. Here are some bank institutions. You need to find American Express. Here's a search bar, type American Express in the search and choose American Express. Here are two options. Choose first one, American Express. Then click continue to login, and it will ask you to log into your American Express account, guys. And if your gift card is linked to this American Express account, it will be detected, and if it's not linked to your American Express account, then it won't be detected, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.